All right, we should be live now. I hope so. I hope we're live. All right, let me see here. Let's take a look. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. So appreciate you all tuning into the stream. We should be on live now. Hold on, give me 1 second here as I pretty much connect everything. Hopefully, it looks right on your end. All right, cool. Yeah, we're good. I'm gonna put this up just a bit here. So yeah, just give me a second. It's just a song here, but anyways. Yo, what's up, everyone? Yo, Lawnmower, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Appreciate it. All right, so today was a crazy day. Long story short, crazy day here. I do want to go over what happened here. So the first things first, we're honestly going to go over Tesla since we're already on it. But Tesla had a nice little move up, and or a big move up here, and we had this empty space. It was very self-explanatory. We ended up breaking through our box and going up past my final TPs and more. And for tomorrow, let's go ahead and look for something here. So for tomorrow, this is what I see. Honestly, yes, we did end up creating some empty space below us, and it would be nice if you could see the numbers too. So give me a second. There we go. All right, yeah, we're back in. So yeah, there's empty space here, which looks absolutely amazing, right? And then above us, so I kind of would want us to build a little bit more structure. And then as for the downside, or excuse me, as for the upside here, this is what I could see. So we do have another pocket here. Obviously, at some point in time, we do have this. So whenever that wants to happen, that's what I can see. As of right now, there, on that higher time frame, there is still a lot of empty space above us here. But I think I'll worry about that tomorrow. So great day. Lots of empty space above. Another pocket here. So even this could be a play for tomorrow. It really just depends on how we open up. Above that 393, there's another pocket up to that, what, 401? Not saying that we're going to get the same move that we did today, but yeah, that's what I'll be looking at for tomorrow. All right, so that's there. Let's look at the Qs. Qs, we did the same thing today, and we went even higher than expected. All right, so weekly time frame, we look at this chart here, or at least I look at it. I don't see anything stopping us, at least to the left-hand side, which is honestly crazy. So we're coming up here. Obviously, there is a little pocket above us, like something itty-bitty here. Obviously, below us, let me take a look here. Below us, we're going to have a lot of empty space below us. So this is going to be a play. Maybe even this little pocket there. Got some empty space below us, which looks really good. So that's if we do want to drop today, or whenever we want to drop. So it could be tomorrow, could be next week. But as of right now, those bears are definitely getting destroyed right now. So clear gap up, empty space is below us. But as of right now, it looks like we want to Might want to continue, but we'll see how things play out. All right, so QQ, what, IWM, let's take a look here. And after these ETFs, we will be going over some swings, what I'll be looking at end of day. And what I see here, so IWM basically did nothing today. We're still basically in the same, excuse me, but we're basically inside of the same consolidation, as you can see here. So empty space is still above us. Yo, D. Williams, thanks for the heart, means appreciate it, bro. So still, I'm going to make this box pretty much the same thing, just tweaked it up just a bit here. Still a lot of empty space, which is above us here. And then, like I said, there was a small little box here. So we do need to break above this 270. Try to get up to that 271, which we did not do at all. And then a possible lotto if we break above, and which we never did today. So we never broke above this top box yet, this top wall. So just gonna wait this one out and see how this one plays. Tomorrow's what, Thursday? It's below us here. We got some empty space here, so nice little empty space move if we do want to drop, which looks good. All right, so that's on IWM. Now let's take a look at some swings. I'm gonna already have a lot of things written down, but we're gonna go over a lot of these here. So give me 1 second here. Yo, you know what's up? Yes, if you have any requests, you can drop those in the comments. Obviously, you can see what happened today. You can just scroll through and see. Beautiful move on a couple of these trades here. You can see what happened to Tesla. A couple of those swings. Shout out to Lon as well. But yeah, shout out to the members. And man, it's been a wild day. It's been wild. Okay, so pretty wild here. So Meta, let's see here. All right. Meta, also McDonald's. Yo, Glock, I seen that. I seen what you posted today here as well. Man, that does look really good. Okay, so McDonald's, I do want to go over Nike. Everyone knows about PayPal right now, so PayPal had a beautiful run today. As you can see here, we had this clear gap down. Obviously, our target hasn't officially hit, but I would like for us to hit if we can end up getting a nice continuation. So yeah, still got this empty space here, and hopefully we hit this target. And I feel like what's crazy is these trades have been going like wild, and I feel like just staying patient, is what making these trades go wild here. All right, so Nike, let's see, McDonald's, and then Meta. All right, so Nike, I still like it. Still looks good to me. We are above this empty space officially. Not saying that this move will happen. Obviously, we could end up reversing and dropping under this, what, 44.76. But I would like to see if we can get a continuation and hit this 47.95. That's what I have there. And then up to that 51.22. So see that we retested beautifully at that 44.76 range. And if we end up getting a continuation, we got that empty space, which looks good. Yo, Marvin, what's up, dude? Good to see you, man. BRKBOT, man, what's up, dude? All right, now we went over Nike. We went over a lot of these trades, and they all look the same. Clear gap down, no consolidation. You could see the play today. We ended up calling out in the Discord. See what happened on Tesla. I know I posted it. So clear gap down, no consolidation. That's what I would want to see. I mean, obviously we had a crazy push, crazy move, but yeah, that's been wild. All right, so Nike, we did that. McDonald's here. Christopher, what's up? Swervo, EOSE, and yep, I got you guys. All right, hold on. And if anyone else has any requests, you can drop those in the comments too. All right, I do like McDonald's. McDonald's looks fire. Dang, wait. Hold on. So, I seen the 2-hour chart. The 2-hour looked crazy. Of course, I scrolled to a higher time frame and basically see that there's a lot more empty space. Hold on, let me see here. Yeah, I didn't check the contracts on this one yet. But, hold on, give me a second here. But there is some empty space, so if we do end up getting a back above this wall here, not a bad little move. So, I seen this, basically. And at the end of the day, if we can stay up, there is that empty space here, which looks good. And then, I looked at the 24-hour. If it'll load, that'd be great. So, oh man, we would have to get above that, what, 311.76 for that full move. All right, I like it a lot. All right, and yes, I added it to I like it a lot playlist. All right, so that's there. Everyone knows about PayPal. All right, let me see here. So Meta, BRK.B. Let me see here. EOSE. All right. Sounds good. CRWV. All right, yeah, we're just gonna knock out a lot of these other trades here. And yes, if you are watching the stream, feel free to join the free Discord. Obviously, the VIP chat, we just dropped a code. Today was wild, so yeah, we dropped that 40% off all the memberships. So you can see Put Bros 40. And that will be ending very soon. So see that in the Discord. Obviously, you can watch my free streams. We gave a lot of these. You can see, yeah. So yeah, let's keep going. Meta, BRKB, EOSE. Ooh, okay. Dang, dude, this is crazy. I see like a couple new ones that don't look bad. Okay, EOSE. Since we're already here, and yes, I'll write it down. Okay, let me see. EOSE, bro. That was a great find. I'm not gonna lie there. Excuse me. But we do have empty space, which is above us here. So there is this clear little gap with no consolidation, and if we end up getting that nice break through this wall here at 678, got a nice move up to that 1047. So that's what I would want to see if we can get there. Hopefully at the end of the day we can get that nice continuation. So we basically want to get a break outside this box. Do you have any videos on how you set up your trading view as far as settings? Yes, on my YT, I can't say the full name, but I have, thanks to my playlist, that I have it like set up or whatever. Pretty much, just to break it down, I got my extended time frame on. You can see that at the bottom right here. So I got the extended time frame on. You can look at my, what else do I have? Obviously, I go to more settings. You can kind of see like my canvas that I have, and then what I have there. So that's that. Our EOSE, CRWV. Let's take a look here. MSTR. All right. CRWV. Ooh, okay. It looks like we're staying up here. So the last time I checked it, hold on, let me see here. Okay, I got it. That looks pretty nice. Let's see. So clean little gap down here, no consolidation. And then what I would like to see is if we can break through our box here. So looks like we have a nice little box here. Let me see, horizontal line. Okay, so I kind of would like to see if we can stay outside of this 118 range and then try for this empty space here. So literally same thing, just like every day in the Discord. And I know these charts, they look very similar. And they are. I mean, I don't change anything. You can ask the members if I change anything. My entries are the same. Exits are the same. Actually looks pretty good. Excuse me. CRWV. Yeah, that looks good. Hopefully we stay outside this wall here. So yo, Tiny, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I need to get more something to drink before I start coughing to death. So one moment here. If you have any requests, you can drop those in the comments. Discord is in the bio. Feel free to join. I think like the monthly is like 60 now. With the code that will be ending soon, so you can see PutBros40 inside the free chat. All right, so Meta, BRKB, we'll go over those, and then if you have anything else, just drop those in the comments. All right, 1 second here. Yo, we're back. All right, sorry for the delay here. We're good. Yo, J-Dub, thanks for sharing the live stream. He said, I can't understand how I made off of paper trading. What contracts did you have? A lot of it, you know, decides on the percentage-wise contracts. But it was a crazy move today. Like today was a crazy move. All right, so now let's keep going. EOSE Meta now. Dang, man, this is crazy. I'm not sure. Dang, this is wild. I'm not sure, but there is empty space here. Wow, this is just like there's crazy empty space here still. Looks like we're stalling to get above. So yeah, there's a lot of FOMO, I would say. But for me, I'm going to be honest. If I miss a play, I'm not going to just try to, mess myself up and, you know, try to force my way into a play. So if it leaves me, it's cool. You know, there's always gonna be another setup. Like, you know, yesterday we had a great day, whatever. Today, same exact thing. And you know what? Hopefully tomorrow's IWM day. So I'll be watching IWM to see if we can get a nice little move. All right, so yeah, that's what meta. I do like that empty space upside. Let's see here. BRKB. And yes, if you're in the Discord or if you're on the stream, I will be in the Discord last 30 minutes. So everything will be finalized. BRK. He said got some IWM lottos both ways. All right, this is what I have here. So it looks like we've got some empty space below us here, and right now, I'm not gonna lie to you. Right now, it looks like buyers have this control, and what I mean by that, to break it down in simple terms, yeah, we do have empty space here, right? So the empty space is there, but buyers have this control here. So obviously, everyone knows the bottom of the box. Buyers have control, so their job is to keep price pushing up. Obviously, once we got here, we push price up. So what I would want to see is if we can break through this 474 to try to go to this 468. But at least for me, if it doesn't go up there, I could see up to at least that 478 there. All right, so that's there. Doesn't look too bad. All right, now let's keep on going. So we did CRWV, we did. So we got to go over Apple, yeah, man. Apple also looks good. SCHW. Let me see here. All right, all right. Oh man, looks like we're. Looks like I'm probably a day late from this. All right, hold on. I gotta send a couple messages. This also looks really good here too. He said FOMO's in full gear. Bro, I feel like the last couple of days we've had some like crazy plays. So I feel like tomorrow's gonna be like very interesting. But I'm gonna still do the same thing. Just wait for my plays and see if we can hit a couple. 1 second here. Just give me 1 second. All right, excuse me. Okay, so SHW. Okay, yeah, we'll go over that. So I also see this too. So we'll go over that. But it looks like, you know, I mistakenly typed in what you wanted to see, and may or may not have found something else. So if we end up, Queese, what's up? T-Man, thanks for sharing the live stream, appreciate it. So if we end up getting this continuation, and we're close to that end balance, so that's what I can see here. So if we end up continuing, I got that 102 area. All right, so that's there. So now, what? SHW. This is the right one, right? Hold on. All right, yeah. Okay, cool. And then, yeah, we'll do BR. So we did BRKB. Sorry, I can't even speak today. Today's been a wild day, man. That's what I meant, but I was actually looking. All good, bro. No worries, man. We all mess up. I mess up here and there. So, it's all good. Yeah, I think I like C8. The other one that we just went over. For this one, I will say there is a pocket here. So this is more of a little bit of a range rather than a box. obviously, risk to reward. Let me see here, actually. 337, 347. So it is a $10 move up, but right now it looks like we are inside of this consolidation. So hopefully we end up somehow, some way, getting that break into the empty space. You don't like the 4-hour down? Yo, appreciate it. Yeah, man, obviously not financial advice. You all got to do your research, of course. Sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes I lose on some trades. But, we're all on the same mission trying to find, a couple gems. Let me see here. What's the box? Onto that. So I see them at 325. 325.91. We got a nice pocket under us, which is down to that, 311? So right now, both ways, I feel like we're boxed up. I feel like we're all squeezed in. Excuse me, but yeah, that's what I can see there right now. Yeah, we would just have to break out one way or another. Yeah. So right now, like a play like this, I definitely won't be touching it. I'll just be waiting for it. All right, Apple. Yo, Melrose, what's up? So yeah, Apple. Now Apple been running. It's been doing its thing, right? Yeah, we got some empty space, right above us here. And where are we at? We are right at the 265. The thing about Apple is Apple likes to do what Apple likes to do, right? So, yeah, there's an empty space. Excuse me. I would like a clean close outside of our wall for the empty space above us. But if we dump, this is the level to do it. So I kind of would love to see like a close above into this box, or outside the box. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it still looks good. We still got empty space. Just want to see how this one will play out. And then obviously, yes, I did have the downside. So if we wanted to drop today, which we never did, we never, got outside of, our walls here. There's an empty space there. So yeah, that's that. So we got like 30 minutes left before market. All right, let's see here. So yeah, it looks good. A lot of these trades look really good. All right, so BRKB, we did that. Apple looking pretty. It's looking juicy. So we got couple 20 minutes left before market close. 20 or so minutes left. So we'll see how things play out. He said, "I'm at 160% with only 2 contracts." Okay. Yeah. So if I'm up in profits or whatever, I'm gonna trim and leave runners. That's what I do, especially if it's like itching there. But yeah, that's just literally what I do. All right, so that's there. What else we got? So BRKB, we did that. We got EOSC. We got a lot of these other trades. Let me see where HOOD is at too as well. I know this is like right at this wall here. Dang, man. We got some empty space above us. This looks good. Hopefully we end up getting a nice break above. That looks pretty fire. So, obviously Nike, everyone knows about PayPal. HOD. If this doesn't happen today, would like a close outside tomorrow, but honestly, we'll see how things play out. So, it looks really good. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning into the live stream. Man, we had a crazy, wonderful day. I will be inside the Discord. I got to work on these swings, all that good stuff. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning into the stream. If you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat, the VIP chat as well. You can scroll through and see what we've done here today. And then yeah, we dropped that code, put bros40 for the big promo code there. So you can see that inside the Discord. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll be back on live tomorrow morning. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. Hope you all bless one in Jesus' name, amen. I'll see you inside the Discord or in my next stream. Have a blessed one, guys. Oops.